will unbox my, yes, KitchenAid. Ta-da! I finally got this. It's on sale, so I got it. It's $60 less. So you know mommy likes sale. Raise the water head, but I cannot raise it. How do you do that? Oh shoot, it's here. Oh my gosh, we're not reading it. So this is for lock and this is for unlock. So unlocking it to raise the head. Voila! So guys, this is the wire whip. This is good for egg. And I'm wondering if they have the glass for this. Look. So ito ang ating new additional baby sa kitchen natin, sa KitchenAid Classic Plus. So ayan siya guys. I finally got this one guys. I give it to myself. We only have 3 attachments. Ito siya is for baking guys. Ayan, pang cake yan siya. We call it flex edge. And si wire whip. And si dough hook. Ayan, they are incredible 3 with master hook. Guys, ito ang pinaka hinihintay ko na magkaroon guys. We're out in the country and then ito ay lumalabas siya. We're not living in the US, ito ay lumalabas siya. Nakabili ako ng ganito sa London, $240. The problem is if you use it here, $110. Ayan, kailangan mo si jumper. So finally, I bought this one sa Best Buy. Hi guys, so I have this 3 attachment in this KitchenAid that I got. This is, we called it a flex edge. So this flex edge, I will use this a lot since I bake a lot. So yeah, flex edge. And this is a wire whip. This wire whip, guys, is good if you make a meringue or you make your toppings. Your cream cheese toppings. So I can use that too. And this is a dough hook. Okay, that is up for the nose hook. This is a dough hook, guys. If you make a bread, a pretzels, a cinnamon roll, a pandesal. Ayan, talagang ito'y gamit na gamit sa pandesal natin, guys. Ay, yung mga talagang yung dough na matitigas, di ba? Hindi yung pancake, yung dough na matitigas siya. Ito siya ay maganda. We call this a dough hook. It's an Aide Classic. So, ayan siya. And this is the, ano niya na, kung gaano kalakas yung pagbit mo. So, ayan siya. This is how you attach this to. You just press it. And twist it. So, ayan na siya. Very easy ang pag-attach niya, guys. And I only have 3. I'm expecting I have like 5, including the noodle maker. But then, ang noodle maker pala ay separated siya. Hindi siya included dito. You have to buy separately. So, 3 lang ang attachment, guys. I'm thinking na meron akong attachment for making noodles. Pero wala palang additional na attachment dyan. You have to buy for that noodle maker. And I need a noodle maker, guys. I need a meat grinder, noodle maker, and a meat grinder. So, ayan lang. So, I'm good. I'm expecting na malaki ito, pero hindi pala. Ito siguro si medium siya. Or ito si maliit. So, they might only have a small and large. I think this is small one. I have 2 sizes, large and small, so this is a small one. But, if we have 3 sizes, this is the medium one. But I'm good. Siguro kayang-kaya niya ang 5 cups dito or 7 cups. 5 cups siguro siya kaya niya. Isn't that yummy? It is so yummy. So creamy and yummy. So we are going to use this to our carrot cake. So this is the frosting that I use for my carrot cake, guys. This is from London. This is what I use in London too. This is 220, and this is how you do it. Attachment. Either you can use this manually, or I don't know how to take it off now. Okay, so you have to take it off. So these are the attachment of this. What is this one? Kenwood. So these are the attachment, and there are these 2. Voila! And all you have to do is put it there, and then you bake. So you just pour your dough here, and then yeah. And if you're doing one manually, so you just take this off, and you can just use this one too. So what is a good brand? I like this. But here I cannot use this one in the US because that is 240. Well, this one is 110, so I don't need to transfer and use my jumper to move it from one place to another, because we use the one for our coffee maker too. So yeah, transformer. It's very heavy to carry. When I use my sewing machine, I have to carry that upstairs or here on the table, because my sewing machine is 240. I bought that one in Kazakhstan. So this is the problem. If you live anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, you need a transformer to attach whatever you use, electronics, because some country have 110 and some use a 220, 240 volts. In the Philippines, we use 242, so yeah. So this is my old one. Goodbye, baby, but I love you. Thank you for the good times that I spent time with you baking.